How safe is it if you do garage door repair yourself? We highly recommend not to even think of doing garage door repair yourself if you have zero experience in repairing. Do it yourself only if you think the damage is minor, under the guidance, or with the consultation of an expert. Otherwise, you will surely end up with a heavy loss. Make sure you are not applying the procedure of repairing one garage door in other variety of garage doors. It may increase your problem rather bring it to the end. You can also contact Doors in Motion, who have experts in 24/7 available to help you with garage door repair services.